Dubai lies in the desert. From the city of dreams to the city of magic, Dubai has been variously described as the city of limitless possibilities. It has the world's tallest building, the world's largest shopping mall. It has been described as the city which is the hub of anything to do with a luxurious life. And now, Dubai wants to breed salmon, a fish which thrives in the very cold waters of the Atlantic and the Pacific. And Dubai wants to do it in the torrid heat of the desert. Here's how they're doing it.
From police who patrol the streets of the city in Ferraris and Lamborghinis, to African-themed safari parks in the Arabian desert, Dubai is a city of superlatives. And the latest obsession is to breed the Atlantic salmon. To achieve this, fresh waters from the lakes of Scotland has been flown in to recreate the conditions where salmon thrive.
Creating the right environment was the hardest thing we faced. But we came up with the idea of dark water that resembles deep water, a strong current like the ocean with the same salinity and temperature of the Atlantic.
Salmon hatch in fresh water. They migrate to the ocean, live most of their adult life there, and then make an incredible journey up the river to reproduce. They do all this predominantly in the very cold waters of the North Sea, Scandinavia, Antarctica, and parts of southern Chile. This type of land-based salmon farming in a desert has never been attempted before. So how does it all work? A total of 34 special tanks have been built which mimic the conditions which salmon experience in their life cycle. Over 40,000 baby salmons, the size of a finger, were transported from Scotland in special oxygenated tanks. A temperature of 6 degrees Celsius is maintained throughout the life cycle of the fish. The fish are made to swim through tanks, which recreate the currents they would experience in rivers and oceans. And to top it all, the salmon are also exposed to artificial sunrise and sunsets mimicking the Arctic. Marketed for the premium organic market, the desert-bred salmon is at least 15% more expensive than the imported ones.
It is, but I think also the quality, I tried different salmons before and this is less greasy. At least my family prefers this one, the organically produced. And I tried the other one from Ireland, which is good too, but again, I'd rather support good products from the UAE.
The higher price has not put off the customers. By next year, Dubai hopes to produce almost 1,000 tons of salmon. And this literally is a different kettle of fish. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.